So we're back, guys. So here's our first batch of really bad ones. I mean, you can see the discoloration inside there. And I mean, they're not even moving. They're done. So these are all, yeah. So I bought that to repair this. Turns out I got the wrong one. Not a big deal, so I ran back to the parts house real quick and bought a whole bunch. Thank God I did. The first vacuum tee I touch breaks. So we're in store for it today. It looks like today's gonna be vacuum line hell. And it looks like we've got way more than I planned on to replace. But like I said, thank God we keep a ton in stock. So it's gonna be cut, measure. I mean, you can even see how bad this one is. But yeah, that's, let's see if we can get better focus on that. Yeah, that's bad. So, okay, well, not a big deal. Gonna be kind of short because I need to get as much done as I can today. It's just me, so I'm all by myself. Widow-owed me. Okay, but whatever, guys. Let's get back to work and get serious. But yeah, we're working on all of that and get that done, get everything taken care of. But yeah, it's going to be vacuum line hell, one piece at a time, one step at a time. So when we're done, this thing really is going to run nice. So I've got a few more I've got to get through here. I mean, this one doesn't feel too bad, but if I'm going to replace one, I'm going to replace as many as I can find that are weak. So, but okay, guys, have a good one, and we will see you on the next one.